अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम अगेन टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल आईटी इन्फॉर्मेशन गाइड में आप सबको खुशामदीद कहता हूं। फ्रेंड्स, कंप्यूटर साइंस एमसीक्यूज़ की बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सीरीज़ लेक्चर जारी है, जिसके पार्ट फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड हमने अपलोड किए हैं, जो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है और ये उसका पार्ट 4 है। तो फ्रेंड्स, जिसने पार्ट 1, 2, 3 नहीं देखा तो प्लीज़ पहले उसको देखें, अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करें, देन पार्ट 4 को देखें, प्रिपेयर करें। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर पार्ट 4 of computer science MCQs. Dash represents raw facts, whereas dash is data made meaningful. Okay, what is data is a raw facts, and what is information when the data is made meaningful, that is called as information. So data and information, option B is correct. The format specifier %u is used for unsigned short. Which of the following objects are used to store data in MS Access? These objects are forms. Okay, option C is correct. Which number system is usually followed in a typical 32-bit computer? Very simple, that's a binary. Operating system editors and debuggers comes under. These are all our system software. When did John Napier develop logarithm? He developed logarithm in 1614. What characteristic of read-only memory makes it useful? What is random access memory or read-only memory? These are all very important, RAM and ROM. Okay, so you have to study both of these. So the correct answer is data in ROM is non-volatile, that is, it remains there even without electrical power. What do you call the program that are used to find out possible faults and their causes? We call that diagnostic software. Which programming languages are classified as low-level language? Basic, COBOL, Fortran, Prolog, C, C++, these are all our high-level language. So correct answer is assembly language. This question is very important. Almost it's a repeating question and very important. It's very simple, so you have to remember it. Which of the following is not antivirus software? Okay, first read first 4 options, then select which one is correct. Don't be hurry. Okay, so Oracle is not an antivirus software. What does DMA stand for? Direct memory access. Which of the following is a storage device? Tape, hard disk, floppy disk. These are all our storage devices. So correct option is all of above. MIS is designed to provide information needed for effective decision making by. What is MIS? Management Information System. Okay, what is the abbreviation of MIS? ये भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, so please remember. So correct answer is managers. Okay, ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Which of the following is first generation of computer? फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर कौन सी थी? UNIVAC. Remember it. Which of the following tools of MS Word is used to rotate the text? Which one tools we use? That is word art. Okay. Which of the following features of the word processor allows to specify margin of the document? Where is the margin of document? That is in layout. Which of the following devices can be used to directly image printed text? That is OCR. The popular series of personal computer was Apple series, designed in 1976 using dash microprocessor, using 8-bit microprocessor. So the popular series of personal computer was Apple series, designed in dash 1976. This one is also an important MCQs. Next one is, who designed the first electronic computer, ENIAC? J. Presper Eckert and John Muchley. Okay, who designed the first electronic computer, ENIAC? So you have to remember it. Option C is correct. IBM 1401 is, that is a second generation computer. Chief component of first generation computer was vacuum tubes and valves. First generation computer, vacuum tubes are used. Okay. Second generation computers were developed during 1956 to 1965. The computer size was large in first generation. Yeah, first generation the computers are very large. Computer was very large. So the computers, history of generations of the computer you have to know. When first generation, second generation and third generation, fourth generation starts or develop. Dates, you have to remember the dates when starts and when ends. Microprocessors as switching devices are for dash generation computer, fourth generation. The output quality of printer is measured by dot per inch. In analog computer, input is never converted to digital form. In latest generation computer, the instructions are executed both sequentially and parallel. So what is analog computer, what is digital computer, and personal computer, and types of the computers you have to know, study it. Okay. Web pages are linked together using hyperlinks. A CPU with 32-bit address bus can address a memory of 4 GB. Personnel who design, program, operate and maintain computer equipment refers to peopleware. An error in software or hardware is called a bug. Okay, what is the alternative computer jargon for it? Is glitch. What is alternative? Its alternative computer jargon for it is glitch. Remember it. Modern computers are very reliable, but they are not infallible. Personal computers use a number of chips mounted on a main circuit board. What is the common name for such boards? It's known as motherboard. Okay. What is meant by a dedicated computer? Dedicated computer is assigned one and only one task. Is called dedicated computer. The system unit of a personal computer typically contains all of the following except a computer program that converts an entire program into machine language is called a compiler. Okay, a computer program that translates one program instruction at a time into machine language is called interpreter. Okay, you have to know the difference between compiler and interpreter. A small or intelligent device is so called because it contains within it a intelligent device has sensor in it. Okay, the number of elements assigned automatically to a two-dimension array in BASIC are 121. Which of the following statement can be used for multiple branching? Go to, if then else, on, go to, while, when. On, go to is the correct option. Which of the following statement can be used for unlimited looping? That is go to. Okay. Which of the following command is used to exit from BASIC and return to DOS? That is system. command is used. Number of shutdown option on Windows 2000 Professional or 4. The number of items present on control panel depends upon item installed during setup. An OR operation has 4 variables. The possible number of combination in its truth tables are 4 into 4, 16. Okay, there are 4 variables, then the possible number of combination in its truth tables are truth tables. What is truth table of OR, NOR and AND gate? You have to study this. Okay, a fault in a computer program which prevents it from working correctly is known as bug. A self-replicating program similar to a virus, which was taken from a 1970s science fiction novel by John Bernard entitled The Shockwave Rider, is worm. Okay, keep in mind whose a self-replicated program similar to a virus is worm. Unwanted repetitious messages such as unsolicited bulk email is known as spam. So thank you so much friends. Our इम्पॉर्टेंट कंप्यूटर साइंस सीरीज़ वीडियो लेक्चर सीरीज़ का ये 4th पार्ट था जो कि हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया है. तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग यू टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल फॉर मोर इंफॉर्मेशन एंड फॉर मोर informative videos. So thank you so much. Stay connected for the next video. Allah Hafiz.